Hi everyone, my name is Beverly Hills, and this is my brand new YouTube channel, The Revive Zone. And The Revive Zone is about prevention, really. It's about healing and wellness, but it's about preventative healing and preventative wellness. you know, I believe in not doing the things that will put me in a position that I say I don't want to be in. You know, so if I know that I don't want to have heart disease, and I don't do things that cause heart disease. You know, um, if I don't want to have liars in my life, I don't go out and get liars. If you're a liar, you're gonna have to like sneak up on me, sneak attack me with that. As soon as I find out, I'm gonna get rid of you. You know. Um, but this so this video is about in light of where we are in the universe in terms of the great awakening um, and raising our vibration, raising the vibration frequency of humanity in general. What we've come to find out is that the great awakening is very disheartening. The great awakening is really about all the things, all the secrets and all the stuff that was going on with us that we didn't even know about. Okay, and in the course of when you find that out, when you find that out, it can be quite disheartening, and you can find yourself saying, "Why are these people attacking me? Why are they doing that?" So I have a cure for that. You know, years ago I had one of my biological sisters. Um, she introduced me to a male that she was actually dating. Okay, and um, and the reason why she did it was because she hated me. But he was all the women he ever got involved with, he destroyed them, and she knew this, and so she wanted him to destroy me. It didn't happen. In fact, I was from that day to this one, as far as I know, I am the only one that actually made it through him at that particular time. Hopefully, since then, they all made it through him because he was just being. But anyway, um, wasn't worth anything. But you live, you learn, and you have lessons, and it's those situations that prepare us for the greater situations. Because when that situation happened with me, fresh out of high school, I was like, why is something like this happening to me fresh out of high school? Because you have greater lessons. They're hot sands of the desert that you're gonna have to travel through, and these are going to be the experiences that's going to sustain you in those days. But my point with this video is, in that time, I found myself saying, why? And then one day it dawned on me, and I was like, you know what? It could be worse. And you know what would be worse? If I was them and they were me. Think about that. Think about your situation and the people that have betrayed you uh, in whatever way they betrayed you, however they did it. What if you were them? you know so when you get in those moments and you get down and out, think about that, because baby, that would be worse. That really would be worse. Okay. Because I've always felt like it was all, you don't like being mistreated and all that, but I always felt like it was better to be the one that was mistreated than the one that was mistreating people, because I was always able to see the reality of cause and effect from a small child. And what I've realized and recognized about the pattern of my life is that when people did things to me, they paid greatly for it. They regretted it. So I was like, well, I don't want to be on that side of things, because they know out of that, you don't get out of that. Those that are being attacked, those of us that have been and the reason why we have been attacked like that is because we came here to clean this mess up. We came here to clean those very people up. you know and so I just want to say that, because that's for somebody. I was thinking, and it took me so long to get this video up, for these few minutes, and I figured I might as well go ahead and do it, because apparently somebody needs to hear it, because it took so long to try to get it up. But yeah, just remember that. whenever you get in those moments and you just don't understand